Okay, so in this section, let's look at the screen that is presented before us once the data is loaded. I have loaded all the tables from the Northwind sample database. Now we see three different options over here. We have explore by searching, start from visualizations, and start from data. If you click start from data, it would open up a panel over here that you can also open up by clicking the data and analysis. What it essentially does is takes down all the tables in your data set and also categorizes them separately. Further, you can also select any one column and further expand it. It will give you more details regarding that particular column, such as the most common, least column, the data type, and you can also do certain stuff over here like changing the data types, changing the sort order, categorizing the column separately, etc. You can also rename and delete the column. Further, there is this recommendations based on this data that can also you can use. Let's say if you want to use this particular visualization, you can just click it and add it. You can do it for all the tables in your data set. All right, so let's close this up. Start from visualizations. You can open up this section that you can also open up from here. All the different visualizations are over here. We have bar, line, waterfall, cross table, pie, scatter, and everything. We'll talk more about these. And then we have explore by searching. That is a new feature that will also take like the NLP, natural language processing, and answer some of your questions that you probably might have. Let's say like order ID count, right? So it would probably give you certain visualizations, customer ID per contact title, you know, all these visualizations bases on what you type. So you can as well do that you can also do it from here. On the top is the menu. You have all the particular options over here. Let's have a look at it in the later section of this course, but this is pretty powerful. What I would also like to tell you in this particular section is that we have this development tool, which is very handy. If you do not see this development tool, once you start using the Spotfire client, go to options, and probably under the application, yes, in the development we have the show development menu. Make sure you check it. Further, in the bottom you have page, as you can add more pages by clicking on the plus icon, and if you want to rename a page, just double click it, and let's say you name this as sales, you name this as orders, and that's all you can do over here. You have undo redo options, you have the notifications, you have the collaboration and bookmarks, you have the filters. We'll have a look at filters further, and you have the option of editing and viewing. You can switch to different modes. So that's all for this section. Let's explore this whole page. Let's explore this whole GUI further in our next section.